courage for doing big thing, and observation for getting small things, and awareness for what is going in life, and word for replying, saying and sharing innovative things and new ideas. Hello everyone, this is Raj. Today I am going to tell about immaturity. Immaturity is getting increased. What is maturity and what is immaturity, and what should we think, negative or positive? So let me start. And initially I want to start from my school life. When I used to study in 5th class, that time I used to play, and I used to study with creativities and natural games like football and kabaddi. So after 5th class, a rule came there that was up to that no student will fail. So I was shocking, but student mentality and mind got changed, like God has listened them. So it was happening that time. After this, I had been thinking about maturity and immaturity. Why it is running? Why it is increased? So I recognized it. I came to know students started bunking classes and leaving the creativities and games. But I did blame on that rule. But to other hand side, so many students were becoming bookworm. So I thought, what is happening? After this, I had recognized, and I came to know one thing. There was a word that is competition, and that didn't want to fail any type of competition and examination, because they didn't want to listen comment of people, and they don't want to fail. If by God that get failed, then they can attempt suicide, because they wanted to complete all exam, and because they wanted to good response of people. So it was happening that time, and nowadays it is running same. For this I have an idea I want to present with you. That is Saturday plan. I want to apply in every school, in every university and everywhere. That is, it will be working for student, and we know also nowadays so many students are bunking classes. And one more most important thing is that word. A student will find word, and word is most biggest and stupendous thing of word. And according to me, word operate resources to delight someone, to demotivate someone. So it is depends on thinking. If we think about thinking is two types. First is negative and positive. We should think positive. Why? We know be positive. According to me, we should think negative because it is important. Suppose you will start a business and you want to business will be great. Then you have to try and you have to make a list of trouble, what will be happening, what will be needing for business. So negative thinking will be working for your business. And if you think about life, if you have four things in life, then life will be beautiful and awesome for us. Fourth thing is that courage, observation, awareness and word. Courage for doing big thing and observation for getting small things, and awareness for what is going in life, and word for replying, saying and sharing innovative things and new ideas. So thank you for having me.